Hi, and welcome to my channel. I'm Ravina Singh. I am so excited to share with you something new in my kitchen. It has been work in progress, but it's finally completed. So, introducing my breakfast counter. This is it, 2 parts. The top, which is securely bolted into the wall, and the lower half which sits on the floor, but you can be rest assured the space between the top and the bottom is never to be wasted. This piece might not look exactly as it does when you buy it from IKEA because I have modified it. So I will leave you the name so you know which one I have bought and you can see what I have removed and replaced. So let's start at the very top. This is a jug cum vase. I usually use this as a pitcher for milk when we are having cereal, or as a flower vase if I feel like it. Otherwise, it just sits up there as a piece of decor. And next to that, I have this cake / waffle / muffin tray. And that up there is a jam dish. Any jam or even clotted cream for scones look really elegant when served in this jar. Now this jar comes as a set with this butter dish. A lovely gift from my mom, and she's got this from Amazon.com. These mugs here are for our daily use. Although ideally meant for right-handers, I do manage even though I'm a left-hander. And I think the shape is just so cute. And below that I have our creamer, cocoa, and some instant coffee. These jars are also from IKEA and the name is mentioned. This arrangement actually avoids the need for my husband to open the drawers when he needs to make a quick beverage in the morning. The lower cabinet is also from IKEA. Technically, the entire breakfast counter is from IKEA. Now, this cabinet has been available for a long time now, but lately they have a glass top which has become available separately, and it's a great countertop protector. In case you spill anything, it's just an easy wipe. This piece you will recognize, or at least guess, is also from IKEA. It's a desk organizer, but it works very well to keep this area organized for me. These are repurposed British milk bottles, which I use for undiluted cordials. I keep this at an easy access because they're a lot healthier than grabbing a soda. And if you're interested in how to turn these drinks into a sangria, alcoholic or otherwise, leave me a comment and I will be happy to post the recipe. By the way, I got these from Malaysia some time ago. Now these dishes here are a part of the Lennox Pearl Platinum Bone China. I have had this set for many years, but I have now found a regular use for the dishes. This is the sugar pot, but I use this as a container for my husband's cinnamon powder. He loves that in his coffee and in his cocoa. Right here are the coffee spoons. As you know, coffee spoons are smaller than teaspoons, so they're great for just stirring. And there are fruit forks here, which are made from pewter. Now this is my empty spot. Whatever it is that I'm serving for breakfast that morning, I simply lay it out here. Waffles with maple or buns with jam. This is a setup which helps me I can sort of just get out of bed, lay out the breakfast, and then I can just get back into bed, or I can get on with other work while everyone can just grab their breakfast. So now let's move on to the drawers. In the first drawer, I have biscuits and cookies, and also more beverage powders. This is a dark chocolate powder, this is a green tea powder, and this is a non-dairy creamer. All these are for Paul's protein shakes. Paul is my husband, by the way. These are for his protein shakes. And in this beautiful tea box, we have our current favorite tea bags. This box is a gift from my daughter. She got it from, I'm not sure of the name of the place, but it's from Paris. And in here we have our peach tea, green tea, and I'm currently taking this ginger lemon blend to help with my hypertension. And these are homemade by my son's friend. He says, friend, a girl who is a friend, but, well, whatever he says, I'll just believe him. All right, so besides the biscuits and cookies, we also have some of these single-serving condiments, which come with pizza or with ramen noodles. I just store these in there because in the morning, if someone's preparing a lunchbox, then it is a great addition. By the way, these boxes are also from IKEA, and they're quite perfect. They're airtight, easy to open, with a clear top, which is visibility is very important if you're keeping them in a drawer, and they're also dishwasher safe. So here I have used them in a variety of sizes for a whole range of products or purposes, you could call it, in this ensemble I have here. The next drawer is kind of my husband's drawer. He has his cereals and a box with his pastries and bread. Now I do not lid the pastry box tightly. I allow them to breathe, but at the same time, keeping it covered is also protection against, anything going into it. Now, he's usually the earliest to get up in the morning, so in case I'm still asleep, he has everything he needs right here. His XXL mugs, the bowls, these are also in here. I got these from the Spotlight store, and they're just $2.99 each. I just love the color. And they're great for cereal, oatmeal, and even smoothie bowls. In the bottom drawer, I don't keep much. This empty space here is basically for refills. When I go do my monthly bulk shopping for staples, I buy biscuits, cereals, and this is where I keep it. In this container, I have the currently available refills and popcorn. Try mixing popcorn with mini marshmallows and M&Ms for an awesome movie night snack. And lastly, this is my 3-in-1. You can easily change it from a panini press to a waffle iron to a grill for stuffed sandwiches. Do give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you have taken away some ideas from here to create your own breakfast counter or something similar. Until we meet again, happy homemaking and organizing.